Hey guys, welcome to MDSIT. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Firefox latest version 64. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Firefox 64 beta 3. So this is the latest version of Firefox right now. I think you should upgrade to the latest version. So for this purpose, follow me carefully in this video to upgrade to latest version. So first of all, open up any browser to download the setup file of Mozilla Firefox 64 beta 3. So I'm opening up the Chrome browser. Now open it up, and in the search bar you have to type google.com. So type here google.com and hit enter. Now you can see it's loading. Here in the search bar you have to type Firefox 64.0 beta 3 file hippo. You have to type here Firefox 64.0 beta 3 file hippo and hit enter. After typing this text, hit enter. It's loading. From here you have to open up the first link. You can see the link right here on your screen, so just click on it and you can see this page, and from this green button you can download latest setup of Mozilla Firefox 64 beta 3. You can click here to download the latest version. I repeat again, you can click here to download the latest version, but I don't want to download this from here. This was the first technique to upgrade your Mozilla Firefox to latest. Now let me show you the next technique. So close it. So for next technique, you have to open up the Mozilla Firefox, open it up, and then from the upper right top corner you will see three straight lines here. Now click on it. This is lines for menu, so click on it, and from here you have to go to help. So click on help, and from here you have to go to about Firefox. You have to click here. So now click here on about Firefox. Now you can see it's downloading the latest update. So let it download. It's downloading. So guys, now click on restart to update Firefox. It's restarting. Now it's installing the updates. Let it install. Now go to menu and then go to help, and now click on about Firefox. And guys, we are done. We have updated our Firefox from old version to latest version. You can see the Firefox version right here. You can see 64.0 B3. It means Firefox 64.0 beta 3. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. And before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.